This is a brand new YouTube channel that I just started with a little under 200 subscribers. Obviously, it doesn't have anywhere near enough watch time hours or subscribers to get ads enabled, but yet I've managed to make money off of it. On the screen is going to be 3 money figures, and I want you guys to guess which one is how much I made off this small channel, and I'm gonna give you guys 2 seconds to pick one. Well, the actual answer is these are actually individual days that I've made from this channel. In fact, overall, I've made over $1,000 from just this small channel because I used a money hack to get an income from YouTube without ads being enabled on my channel. Now picture this, if I'm making $1,000 from my 200 subscriber account, following that same ratio, at 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be making $10,000. And at 20,000 subscribers, I'll be making $100,000 following that same money figure. Most YouTube channels with over 1 million subscribers don't see that type of money. And you can start this YouTube money hack day 1 of starting your YouTube channel. And no, this isn't a scam. You don't have to buy anything. You can walk away from just this video with the information, the secrets to implement this right now within your YouTube channel to start making money. Welcome to TubeMagic. I'm your host, Dennis, and getting right into step number 1, you still have to make views from this method in order to make any type of money. And don't worry, I'll explain this to you guys in just a moment. But whether it's 30 views, 50 views, 100 views, 500 views a video, you still have to get some type of viewership in order to actually make money from this method. But don't be discouraged about how many views you're getting on your channel, because I posted this video the other day with only 1,000 views, and from this video, I made over $200. And when starting on YouTube, 99% of creators don't see a single dollar from their channel while they're waiting for ads to be enabled. But since you're skipping the line completely, that could be hundreds or even thousands of dollars that you could be seeing before ads ever get enabled. That's thousands of dollars that can be reinvested in your content, on making it better, or even hiring an editor much before you even start making money from ads on YouTube. And so when you finally do get that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get ads enabled on your channel, you could essentially be making double the profit from this method and also from ads. However, if you nearly want to guarantee views on your channel when starting off, you're gonna wanna lock in your niche, and that's heavy emphasis on locking it in. Now you guys might be asking, Dennis, what does this entail? Well, here's a list of the most profitable niches on YouTube, and you can just screenshot this, pause the video, or write this down, or you could have already picked a niche too, and that's perfectly fine. However, most people when starting on YouTube will pick their first niche and then bounce off to another niche, and then bounce off to another one, and etc. However, there's nothing worse for the views and growth on your channel than doing exactly that. Because let's say you start off your channel by posting in the gaming niche. YouTube's algorithm is gonna determine that your videos are viewed the most by people who watch gaming videos. And so thus, they're gonna start pushing your videos to that same audience who watches gaming content on YouTube. However, if you were to switch from the gaming niche to the cooking niche, your new cooking videos would be still pushed to the people who watch gaming videos, and thus they would be disinterested in your new content. And when YouTube starts pushing out your content and no one's pressing on the videos, no one's watching the videos, YouTube's gonna automatically assume that your videos are unwatchable without knowing that you switched niches. This is why it is so vital for you to lock in your niche, because then you are building subscribers in the right demographic, as well as your videos are getting pushed out to the correct people and not disinterested viewers. By doing this simple fix, if you are posting watchable content, then you have put yourself ahead of 90% of creators here on YouTube. But you have to remember that YouTube is exponential. So even if your first couple videos don't pop, as long as you keep posting good content, no matter what, you are guaranteed to eventually get some sort of views. And using this method, you'll get money from those views. Now for step number 2, you're gonna wanna make videos related to your niche. A lot of people get cold feet when starting on YouTube and don't know what to post. But there is one AI tool that you can use that no matter what niche you start in, you can already get an immediate idea of what to post. Using TubeMagic, a top tier AI software used for accelerating creators' growth here on YouTube, you can use the video research tool. And by inputting in your niche, you can see the videos getting the most views and the top performing winning content within your niche. Now through the video research tool, you're gonna wanna find a creator who's getting lots of views and is posting content that you're confident you can also make content similar to. Once you have found a channel that is getting lots of views, you're gonna wanna go back to TubeMagic's main tool page and go to the video ideas tool. And by putting in the YouTube channel and hitting enter, you can generate unlimited, unique, viral worthy video ideas for your channel just like that. These are video ideas that AI is making completely based off of that channel, and you can make 10 to 15 of these within less than 30 minutes. Usually to come up with 10 to 15 viral video ideas, it would take you more than a day, but now you're able to come up with them within minutes using AI softwares. Obviously, you don't need to use TubeMagic to come up with video ideas. Most YouTube creators don't, but considering how many super useful tools TubeMagic has and how much time and money it saves me, I think it is an inevitable tool that you should invest in as a YouTube creator at some point. In fact, as a reward for making it this far in the video, use the code MAGIC30 for 30% off your first month purchase. Now for step number 3, you're gonna want to pick a high payout partner. Now just so you guys are aware, we're gonna be very specific on the high payout part of this. Believe it or not, your viewers can be summarized into 2 groups, and pretend there's an imaginary line between them. There's the viewers who won't buy the product, no matter if you make it $1 and the best deal of their life, they will not buy the product. And then there's the people who are able to pull out their credit card and actually purchase the product. Now on the side that people are buying the product, let's say you're selling them a $10 product. If you raise that up to a $300, $400 product, that doesn't mean that 30 or 40 times less people will buy all the time. The people on this side have already made the mental commitment to purchase a product. So by selling a high payout product that makes you much more in commissions than a $10 product, you can make much more money from these people who will purchase a product. Meanwhile, selling the product for super cheap still won't make these people buy, so it doesn't matter. We're talking about the people who are able to actually commit to purchasing. What I'm saying is you don't want to partner with a product that's giving you a $10, $20 commission. Instead, partner with one that's giving you anywhere from $100 to $500 commissions. Because think about it this way, if you get $200 per every sale of your commission, if you get 1,000 views, just one person has to buy for you to get $200 from 1,000 views. That is 0.1% of people. And if you're successful in selling just one time, then you basically make $2 every 10 views. Versus if you were to actually sell a product where you get $2 every commission, the odds of you selling to 1 in 10 people is very, very low. So you guys can partner with a high payout product for free on sites like JJStore24, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. If you guys want to understand a little bit more about high payout partners, then you can attend our completely free live training that we're hosting to potentially 10x the growth on your YouTube channel. The spots for this exclusive free live training are super limited, but you can save your seat by pressing on the link in the description below to attend this completely free training on how to 10x your growth on YouTube. Now don't go anywhere yet, because these next 2 steps are by far the most important, and it's how I've made more than $1,000 from less than 200 subscribers on YouTube. Now for step number 4, you're gonna wanna place your high payout partner somewhere within your videos, and this can be in the front or the middle, but never in the end. And the reason for that is because in the end of your video is when the least amount of people are watching. By placing your high payout partner somewhere in the beginning or the middle, the most amount of people will be able to see it, and thus you'll get much more sales. And if you guys are having trouble promoting your high payout partner, you can go to TubeMagic. And by using their AI script writing tool, you're able to generate yourself an entire script with a good ad read towards your high payout partner. And what I actually like to do is copy the ad read and go into ChatGPT and post it in and ask them to replace some of the words with ones that have more positive connotations. For example, ChatGPT will replace the word buy with invest, and they'll replace the word learn with discover. Those are words with much more positive connotations, and thus you'll get more sales. Now our next step is the secrets to possibly going viral on YouTube, so you can get the most amount of views and the most amount of sales from those views. Once you have finished a video in which you mention your high payout partners, you're gonna wanna go to YouTube and start uploading it. But once your video is finished uploading, instead of putting it as public, first put it as unlisted so that anyone with the link can access it without it actually being public. Next, you're gonna wanna copy the link, and going back to TubeMagic, you're gonna wanna go to their Warp upload tool, and by putting in the link to your video, TubeMagic is actually going to use its AI software to generate you a title, description, and tags with viral optimization in seconds for your video. All of the tags and keywords that TubeMagic will generate you are based off a model of videos with 10, 20, 30, 50 million views that are winning. So not only are you getting amazing optimization in seconds, but it's much better than the alternative of sitting there for 30 minutes and trying to come up with the best perfect description, keywords, tags for your video. Instead, you can generate it within seconds with TubeMagic, and then you just copy it, paste it on your video, and then at the very top of your description, put the links to your high payout partners, and then you're ready to upload it whenever you want. This is exactly how I made more than $1,000 from 200 subscribers on YouTube. And you guys could possibly do more than that. It all just depends on the content you post. And if you want to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in the easiest and quickest way possible, then check out this video right here in which we tell you guys exactly how to do it with AI. I hope you guys got immense value from this video. If you guys did, then subscribe to the TubeMagic channel because we post weekly videos that will help you supercharge your YouTube channel in this day and age with AI.